Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be my everyday makeup drawer reset. I've never done a video like this before, but I'm so excited for it because I love watching videos like this. I just love watching people like organize their makeup. So I hope you enjoy. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already, and let's get into it. This is my current everyday makeup drawer and it is very messy, very disorganized. It needs a lot of help and a big reset. I think I'm going to start by just walking through everything that's in here really quickly, and then we can move on to picking new items. I simply do not know where to begin because it's so messy, but let's begin with some tape because it's kind of random. So here's some tape. I use this to remove any fallout that I have from glitter eyeshadows, and it comes in very handy. Sometimes I use it for eyeliner, but rarely I do that because I don't really wear eyeliner. But yeah, some tape. Here we have the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte. I really like this. I love the packaging. I kind of love that it looks like a little book. And it comes with a little puff, which always comes in handy, and a mirror. So this is just perfect, and I use this on the go as well as in my everyday makeup drawer. Next, we have one of my absolute favorite foundations. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Blur. Also, you pronounce Huda. I recently learned that. It's not Huda, it's Huda. Anyway, this is the Easy Blur foundation. I love this so much, so this was in my everyday makeup drawer. I might keep it in, but I might replace it. We'll see. I have the Say Glowy Super Gel. I really like putting this on when my face is feeling really dull or just needs some luminosity because this provides a very beautiful base for foundation. For some reason, I also have two more in here. I think it's because they recently came out with like Rose Glow and then Warm Glow, and I wanted to try them all, and they ended up in my everyday makeup drawer. I have the Milk Hydro Grip. This is one of my favorite primers ever, so it makes sense it's in here. Okay. So I have a second one of these in here. Something is very wrong in this drawer. Something has gone awry. Just kidding, I just have too much stuff. Anyway, another one of these. Continuing on with more primers, this is the Merit Great Skin Primer. This is so good for dry skin. It really is beautiful with like a drier foundation and works super well with their foundation stick as well. Okay, more primers. I'm going to do them in groups now because I'm taking too long. This is the MAC Hyper Real Primer, the e.l.f. Putty Primer. This is the green one. And then the new Milk Primer that has like the gold tint to it, as well as their foaming primer. I need to use these three, the Milk ones and the MAC one, more to see how I feel about them. So I might keep them in the drawer, but I'm not sure. And then I love this e.l.f. one. Two more base primer things, the YSL primer. I kind of think I don't like this. It's too silicone-y. And then this is a very, very, very old Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. It was when they had their liquid highlighters. And I wanted to see if this is going to break me out to see if I should declutter it or not. And I've yet to use it. So I think I'm going to keep this in, but we'll see. Why do I have a million primers in here? I could not tell you. But I have the Milani SPF BFF primer. I also have the Tula Glow Bronze Drops and the Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. This is like white and it should be yellow, so it's very, very old, but you know me, I just use a bunch of old makeup all the time. Here are the concealers in here as well as a color corrector. I have the NYX Bear With Me concealers, the Cali Ray Cool Sunrise color corrector, two Kulfies, and a Huda Beauty concealer. My hands look so dry, y'all. Ugh. I love all of these, and I'm gonna try and not use them and put them in my everyday makeup drawer so I can try new things, but they'll probably sneak in there eventually like a million primers did. Bro, I'm crying. I have three base products in here. This is the Iris and Romeo Best Skin Days skin tint kind of thing. It's pretty light on the skin, so I'd say it's a skin tint. And then two Jungsemu cushion foundations. I was trying both of these out and filmed a TikTok with it, but these are really pretty and I need to use them more. This was nice. I still have to use it more and see how I feel about it. I would like to say I can't believe that there's a third one in here, but I can believe it. One of these is going to my sister immediately. A few more base products. We have the Say Sun Visor, the Make Beauty Concealer, the Pat McGrath Concealer, and a Bobbi Brown Color Corrector. A few more base products. We have the Well People Foundation Stick, Laura Mercier Liquid Highlighters. Love these. And the, I think this is called I Am Multi-Stick. This is a contour and highlighter stick in one. It's really nice for contouring because it's really precise. This is a Phytosurgeon's just like sample from Jason, and this Trini London eyeshadow, potted eyeshadow. I have a few powders here. The Hourglass one, this has a bronzer in it too, the Laura Mercier, and the Kosas one. A ridiculous amount of puffies. Another powder, this is the Fit Glow powder. I love this powder, it's so good. A few lip and skin prep things. This is the Fit Glow lip serum, incredible, so good, one of my favorites. The Byelma lip mask and the Fenty lip mask. This smells so good. And then this is an eczema cream. This is the Herbitual Atopic Skin Defense. It's like a really thick cream for eczema, and I love this. It is a very small jar and it's quite pricey, but it works really, really well. We have a million brow products in here as well. The NYX Thick It Stick It Brow Mascara, love. This is the Billion Dollar Beauty Brow Gel, a few of the Milk Kush High Roll Brow Tints, an Anastasia one, another NYX, and then Glossier Boy Brow. We have some more eye products, the Milani Eyeshadow Primer. This is, shoot, I forgot the brand. Oh, 1028 Slim Mascara. Got it in Taiwan. Lancome Mascara, and then the new BK Beauty eyelash curler. I also have some hairbrushes and combs because sometimes I need them and then I just throw them in here. Some garbage. Low-key, this is like my purse. Some more random tools. And then the last few things in here are a Tula lip balm, some Freck. This is the mini OG one. It's so cute. I think this is from Salt, but it's a freckle product as well. And then this is a brow pencil that Ryan picked up for me in Taiwan. The drawer is now empty, yippee. I'm gonna dust it and like get any dog hair out of here because there's most definitely dog hair in here, and wipe it down and stuff like that. So I'll be right back. So it is now a different day. I took a pause on this, but here's my drawer all cleaned. I kind of rejigged the organizers and I also added an extra one right here. So I'm going to begin with this. This is my bin with all of my Project Pan products, and I want to put this in my everyday drawer because I want to remember to use them. So I have them all in this one little box, and I'm going to place this right here. Next to that, I'm going to add some face products. I've been really liking these Milk Skin Tints and I want to play with them a bit more, so I'm going to add these in there. I do want to try this out more. This is the Jongsaemu Cushion Foundation. Also including the Salt New York. I think this is my concealer shade. I can't remember. It's either my concealer or base shade, but I want to play around with this more too and see how I feel about it. And another product I want to try out more is this Beekman Milk Tint SPF. I've only tried it like twice and I'm not sure how I feel about it, so I want to keep testing it out. Next, I'm going to add these primers and like first step makeup products. So I have the Inkylys Polyglutamic Acid, the Jongsaemu Boosting Mix Fixer. I'm not sure if that is like a pre or post makeup thing, but I'm going to try it as both the Milk Hydro Grip and then the Tula Bronzing Drops right here because I just want to try them. I think I've only used them twice. I'm also going to add this e.l.f. Putty Primer. This is the green one. It's not part of my Project Pan, but I really like it. And then a couple of lip products. This is the Byelma Lip Tide Lip Mask and then the Fenty Lip Mask. I think both of these were in my drawer before and I'm going to keep them in here. I'm going to be adding quite a few concealers. This is the Yensa concealer, the Jillian Dempsey concealer, and then two Giorgio Armani concealers that are my current shades. I don't know about this one, if this is too light for me, and I'm testing this one out a little bit more, but I absolutely love these. I'm adding 3 more concealers and then a color corrector. This is the Cali Ray Color Corrector 2 Bobbi Brown concealers that I'm going to see if I like. I think I remember not liking them, but I just want to refresh my memory. And then this is the Skin Mimetic Concealer by Make Beauty. This is getting a lot of hype right now, and I remember really liking this, but I think it might be too light for me, and if it is still too light for me as my winter shade right now, I'm going to declutter it. These are some miscellaneous like eye and face products. I have the Milani eyeshadow primer. This is the Milk Kush brow lamination, and this is actually really good. I've been testing it out a couple times and I'm really liking it. And then my all-time fave, the NYX Thick It Stick It brow mascara. My freckle pen by Pupil, and then this is one of my favorite brow pencils. This is by Trio Beauty. I'm also going to include some hair tools because I really like using a hair clip to clip my hair back while I do my makeup. Finally, for this last container back here, I'm gonna add some face tools, just some like puffies, a facial sponge, and I have a couple more tools that I want to put in this bin. I'm also gonna put my handy dandy tape in there, and then my favorite eyelash curler from Kevyn Aucoin. Now that I'm looking at this, I do need another setting powder other than my Project Pan setting powder, so I'm going to add in one of my 3 Fenty Beauty Invisimats in here. So I'm going to add this in here as well, but where to put it? Maybe I'll put it right here. Maybe I'll put this in here. The things that I'm missing in here, like mascara and bronzer and blush, I like to change up every single day, so those aren't going to be necessary to put in my everyday drawer because I usually just pick those out depending on how I feel that day, and they don't really stay the same, but I want to try these things out more and kind of keep them consistent for a little bit. So this is the final updated and organized everyday makeup drawer. So that's going to be my new everyday makeup drawer. I hope you enjoyed. Please let me know if you want to see videos like this again in the future because I would love to film it. Please let me know of any other video recommendations you have for me because I would love your input, and I hope you're having a good day wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!